You can use your Pixel phone's front and back screens together to help you get even more from your device, like advanced Google Meet features or taking better photos. To use dual screen features during a Google Meet call, on your Selfie camera view, tap the dual screen icon. Both the front-facing camera and the Selfie camera are active for participants in the call. The front of your device will also display the participants. To grab the attention of your photo subjects using Made You Look, from the camera app, tap the dual screen icon. Tap Made You Look. Choose an animation to play on the front screen for your photo subjects. Tap the shutter button to take a photo. To use your phone's front and back screens to give someone a preview of how they look before you take a picture, from the camera app, tap the dual screen icon. Tap Dual Screen Preview. Your subject can now see themselves. Tap the shutter button to take a photo. To take a selfie using the higher quality cameras on the back of the phone, above the shutter button, tap the dual screen icon. Tap Rear Camera Selfie. Turn your device around. The camera controls are now available on the back side of your fold. Tap the shutter button to take your selfie. To return to dual screen, to the right of the shutter button, tap the dual screen icon.